Hello there. Hello there. This is Chicken Whisperer. I just went out to the field. I just picked 5 gallons of chickweed, and I'm going to feed them it. That's another big bunch of chickweed. Let's see what they do to it. Look at them all. They love their chickweed. They still got water left. Well, actually, a lot of water left. They even got some of my mix left from earlier I fed. Well, I'm gonna give them more mix. Here goes. Here's my babies. Boy, are they growing. I should have bought a scooper, but this works fine. Yep, they're really not even interested in chicken food when they got nice green chickweed. Gosh. Would you say they are growing? I sure would. When I came in here, there's no signs of a golden egg yet. Oh, they're finally getting into that hanging 40 pound feeder. There's nothing but chick starter in there, an old feed from about 40 years ago. Okay, I'm gonna give them some mealworms. If I can open this one-handed. Boy, that stinks. Woo. They love it. Boy, these are nice birds. Okay, I'm going to be posting every day, at least a couple times on my weekends. This is fun. Please like, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye. Peace out.